Indulge in the ultimate self-care experience with our metal eye massage stick. Designed to soothe and relax the delicate skin around your eyes, this stick helps reduce puffiness and promotes lymphatic drainage. Pair it with our eye cream stick for a nourishing treat, or use our face cream stick for an all-over moisturizing boost. For precise application, try our cosmetic scoop. Finally, smooth out wrinkles and fine lines with our eye cream smear for a radiant, youthful glow. The Natural Jade Roller Massager is a versatile beauty tool crafted from genuine jade stone, designed for use on the face, body, back, and feet. This double-ended roller provides a gentle massage that promotes relaxation and improves blood circulation. It is ideal for facial lifting, helping to enhance skin elasticity and reduce puffiness. The massager also aids in diminishing the appearance of wrinkles, leaving the skin smoother and more youthful. Additionally, the included Gua Sha tool is perfect for deeper massage techniques, offering comprehensive care for both beauty and wellness. Say goodbye to dark circles and puffiness with our rolling ball eye massager. This innovative tool combines gentle massage with a cooling effect to reduce edema and promote lymphatic drainage. Use it to lift and firm the delicate skin around your eyes, diminishing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. As a facial massage tool, it also helps increase blood flow and collagen production for a radiant, youthful glow. Plus, its cold compress feature provides instant relief from fatigue and tension. Perfect for a soothing self-care ritual. This mini vibrating massager is a compact and versatile device designed for facial and eye massage treatments. It helps to relax and rejuvenate your skin while promoting better absorption of lotions and skincare products. The device is small and portable, with a lipstick-like size, making it easy to carry in your bag or pocket. Ideal for quick relaxation sessions, it effectively relieves tension and enhances skin health on the go. Its mini design ensures convenience without compromising performance, making it a perfect addition to your beauty routine. Experience the ultimate in eye relaxation with our portable vibrating eye massager. This USB rechargeable device offers 10 soothing modes to relieve eye fatigue and strain, reduce puffiness and dark circles, improve blood circulation and collagen production, soothe and calm the delicate skin around your eyes. Perfect for home, office, or travel use, this compact beauty tool is your key to refreshed and radiant eyes. Introducing the ultimate eye massage stick, designed to melt away tension and revitalize your eyes. With its soothing 45 degrees Celsius heated hot compress, gentle vibration, and expertly crafted massage nodes, this tool targets the delicate skin around your eyes to lighten dark circles and discoloration, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, ease eye bags and puffiness, relax and calm the eye area, reveal brighter, smoother, and more radiant eyes. Elevate your eye care routine with our portable eye massager, a revolutionary pen that combines electric vibration and gentle massage to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, target dark circles and discoloration for a brighter look, relax and soothe the delicate skin around your eyes, promote blood flow and collagen production for a radiant glow. Perfect for on-the-go use, this compact beauty tool is your secret to a more youthful and vibrant appearance. The 4-in-1 Electric Eye Massager is a versatile beauty instrument designed to provide micro-vibration therapy for eye care. It is particularly effective in helping to relax tired eyes and reduce the appearance of dark circles and eye bags. The device also aids in relieving puffiness around the eyes, promoting a refreshed and youthful look. With its multifunctional features, it offers a soothing eye massage that enhances blood circulation and reduces fatigue. Ideal for daily use, this beauty tool is a practical solution for maintaining healthy and radiant eye areas. The Eye Massager 3D is a premium device designed to provide relaxation and rejuvenation for your eyes. This massager effectively relieves fatigue, making it ideal for individuals who experience eye strain from prolonged screen time or lack of sleep. It helps lighten dark circles, giving your eyes a brighter and more youthful appearance. Additionally, it smooths out fine lines around the eyes, promoting a refreshed and wrinkle-free look. With its advanced design and features, this beauty tool offers comprehensive eye care and enhances overall facial aesthetics. This eye massage instrument is designed to provide a soothing and relaxing experience. It combines vibration, airbag pressure, and hot compress technology to relieve eye fatigue and tension. With built-in Bluetooth, users can enjoy music during their massage sessions for a more immersive relaxation. The device is foldable, making it convenient for travel and storage. It offers a perfect solution for eye care and stress relief, enhancing overall comfort and well-being.